As I was telling my kitty sitter about a trip I was going on in July, and she thought I was canceling this weekend, so I emailed her real quick. No, 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 no. Come take care of the cats, feed them, watch them. Do you think his whiskers are longer than Loki's? We talked about that once.
Maybe the Olaf whisker could be longer than Loki's, I think.
I think you're right. I can't remember. I haven't looked for a while.
Oh,
We have a friend who has black cats.
And they're white whiskers.
She, one of them's got one gray whisker and getting another one.
How old are they?
I don't know. They're over 6 years old, I think.
Oh, then they're not quite senior cats, but they're getting close. Look at him. He's got his paws on you.
oh,
He crushed you a lot.
oh, how sweet.
Has he ever bitten you?
He probably did it like second times before,
Okay,
and I told him, no, you don't.
Good for
bite
you.
friend.
good. He doesn't do it to be mean. Some cats show, I like you and I'm going to bite you to show you. But we keep telling them, cats don't bite mamas, cats don't bite nice people. Even though you don't mean it mean, you cannot bite people. So what do you guys, you going on any more picnics for long?
Well, I told Jennifer we would go on another picnic because she was very happy the other day. So we're probably going to try to make that something that we do maybe once a month.
Good. I
Maybe more
hope the
than that.
weather gets warmer.
It's gonna in just a few days.
Yep. Birch Bay will be windy up there a lot, but it'll be 80 degrees, I